All right, today we're diving into a tool that's honestly changing the game in music education. It's called BandLab For Education, and we're going to break down what makes it so special.
Let's start with a feeling that I think a lot of teachers out there will recognize. It's that little bit of anxiety around teaching composition, right? That quiet fear that maybe you're not musical enough. This quote, man, it just captures that challenge perfectly. And that challenge, it's not just about one teacher's confidence. It's actually a whole set of hurdles that modern music classrooms are trying to clear every single day.
And what's really interesting is how these problems are all tangled together. Think about it. If a teacher feels a bit shaky on composition, it becomes really hard to engage the kids who don't play a traditional instrument. And when those kids are left out, the curriculum can start to feel totally irrelevant to them. Then you throw in a lack of instruments or computers, and making music class truly inclusive feels like, a constant uphill battle. So, what's the solution? How do you actually break down all these barriers? How do you unlock the creativity that you know is waiting inside every single one of your students? Well, the answer comes from a platform built on 3 absolutely crucial pillars. First, it's completely free. No budget meetings, no hidden costs. That just removes the financial barrier right off the bat. Second, it's safe. And third, it's accessible on pretty much any device that has a web browser, a laptop, a Chromebook, you name it. Okay, and this part is hugely important to understand. The regular BandLab website is basically a social network for musicians, but the education version, that's a completely separate, secure walled garden. It's compliant with all the strict student privacy laws like COPPA and FERPA, which means your students' data is protected. The bottom line is the teacher is in complete control. Kids can't talk to anyone outside their class, so it's a totally safe sandbox for them to get creative in. Okay, so we get it. It's free, it's safe. But what does it actually look like in the classroom? How does it really work? Let's walk through what a typical assignment looks like. The whole workflow is designed to be incredibly simple and intuitive. It follows these 4 logical steps that'll feel familiar to any teacher. First, you set the task. Then, the student gets to create. After that, they submit their work. And finally, you give feedback and a grade. It's all done inside one system. So from your side of things, the teacher's dashboard, you can create an assignment with a really clear, simple brief. You can even attach short videos or audio clips to help guide them. It's all about setting them up for success right from the very start. No confusion. And for the student, this is where the magic happens. They open up the task and boom, they have this massive library of thousands of high-quality professional sounds right at their fingertips. They can just drag and drop beats, bass lines, and melodies to start building their track. It's like a creative playground where they're in the driver's seat. And the feedback part? This is a game changer. Once a student submits their work, you don't just get an MP3 file. You can actually open up their project, their entire session, and see exactly how they put it together, layer by layer. This means you can give incredibly specific feedback like, hey, try turning this drum track down a little, or this melody is great. You're guiding their actual creative process. Now, this all sounds really fun, right? But here's the big question. Is it just fun and games? Or are students actually learning real skills that meet, actual educational standards? The answer is a huge, resounding yes. The things students do in BandLab map directly onto those rigorous national curriculum standards. Whether it's composing and developing musical ideas, controlling things like dynamics and texture, or understanding the entire music production process, they are meeting those key requirements, but in a way that's practical and hands-on. And this is what I absolutely love. It shows how those, let's be honest, kind of dry curriculum boxes get turned into skills that students actually get excited about. They're not just ticking a box for structure. They're learning how to build a track from an intro to a massive drop. They're not just learning about texture, they're becoming a texture master, knowing when to pull everything back and when to hit you with a wall of sound. So let's bring this all home. What's the big takeaway here? What does all this really mean for you and your classroom? Here's why this matters. It empowers that teacher who didn't feel confident enough to teach composition before. It makes music creation genuinely inclusive for that student who doesn't play an instrument but has incredible ideas in their head. It completely removes the barriers of money and technology. And maybe most importantly, it lets students create music in the genres they actually know and love, connecting what they learn in school to their real world. So, look, the tool is here. It's free, it's safe, and it is incredibly powerful. The only real question left is, what kind of incredible music are you and your students going to create with it?